Hunched over the old typewriter, Miriam felt its keys pulse like a heartbeat. Each word she typed whispered back at her, the letters writhing as if alive. The attic air thickened, dust swirling into indistinct forms around her. She hesitated, sensing movement beneath the paper. Peeling at the page with trembling fingers, she revealed crawling, inked letters spelling, "Let US out." Sweat beaded her forehead as she realized each keystroke trapped a real soul. Suddenly, the attic door creaked shut, chains rattling outside. The typewriter clattered alone. Typing, "Another one joins US," sealing her fate with finality.